We live in a world alive with sound. Every moment, every place is filled with a symphony of noises that we often take for granted. From the whisper of the wind to the roar of a crowd, sound is everywhere. It's in the rustling of leaves, the laughter of children, and the bustling of city streets. But what if we could harness this invisible force? What if the sounds that surround us could be captured and transformed into something more? What if we could transform the sounds of our planet into a sustainable source of energy? Imagine converting the ambient noise of our daily lives into a powerful, renewable resource. This is the promise of SoundPower. By capturing and converting sound waves, we can generate clean energy from the very noise that surrounds us. SoundPower represents a new frontier in renewable energy. It's an innovative approach that could change the way we think about power generation. It offers the potential to transform noise pollution into clean electricity. Instead of being a nuisance, the sounds of our cities could become a valuable resource. Imagine a world where the din of traffic, the hum of machinery, even the music in our ears could power our homes and cities. The possibilities are endless. This is the vision driving the development of SoundPower technology. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to make this vision a reality. This innovative technology is still in its early stages. However, the progress being made is promising and could lead to groundbreaking advancements. Yet it holds immense potential to revolutionize the way we think about energy. By reimagining the role of sound, we can unlock new possibilities for sustainable living. By tapping into the ubiquitous energy of sound, we can create a cleaner, more sustainable future for generations to come. A future where every sound contributes to a greener planet. To grasp the potential of SoundPower, we must first delve into the fundamental nature of sound itself. Sound is not just a mere phenomenon, it is a powerful force that shapes our world in ways we often overlook. Sound is, in essence, vibration. When objects vibrate, they cause the air molecules around them to vibrate as well. These vibrations create waves that travel through the air. Imagine a tuning fork or a speaker cone. As they vibrate, they push and pull the air molecules around them, creating a ripple effect. These ripples, or sound waves, travel through the air, reaching our ears and allowing us to perceive sound. The process is both simple and incredibly complex. These sound waves carry energy. The amount of energy depends on the intensity of the sound. Loud sounds carry more energy than quiet ones. This is why a whisper carries less energy than a shout. The louder the sound, the more energy it transmits through the air. For centuries, we have harnessed energy from sources like the sun, wind, and water. These natural forces have powered our homes, industries, and lives. But the energy of sound has remained largely untapped. Despite its ubiquity, we have not yet fully explored how to capture and utilize this form of energy. SoundPower technology offers a groundbreaking way to capture this energy and put it to work for us. Imagine converting the noise of a bustling city or the sounds of nature into usable energy. Engineers and scientists are now developing innovative methods to harness sound energy, much like we do with solar and wind power. The potential applications are vast, from powering small devices to contributing to the energy grid. The future of energy could very well include the sounds that surround us every day. SoundPower technology offers a way to capture this energy and put it to work for us, opening up new possibilities for sustainable energy solutions. At the heart of SoundPower lies a clever combination of materials and engineering. Two key technologies make this energy transformation possible: piezoelectric materials and electromagnetic converters. These technologies work together to capture sound vibrations and convert them into usable electricity. Piezoelectric materials possess a unique property. They generate an electrical voltage when subjected to mechanical stress or vibration. Imagine a crystal that produces a tiny spark of electricity when squeezed. This, in essence, is the piezoelectric effect. Electromagnetic converters, on the other hand, use the principles of magnetism and electricity to generate power. These converters contain coils of wire that produce an electrical current when exposed to a changing magnetic field. The SoundPower system consists of several key components working in harmony. Panels, strategically placed to capture sound waves, are the first line of energy collection. These panels house the piezoelectric materials and electromagnetic converters that form the heart of the technology. As sound waves strike the panels, they cause the piezoelectric materials to vibrate, generating a small electrical charge. Simultaneously, the sound waves cause fluctuations in the magnetic field within the electromagnetic converters, inducing an electrical current. This captured energy is then transferred to an energy storage system. Here, it can be used immediately or stored for later use. This stored energy can power homes, businesses, or even be fed back into the electrical grid. Section 5. Urban Symphony Sound Power in Our Cities. Imagine a bustling city street. The sounds of traffic, construction, and the constant hum of urban life fill the air. Now imagine if this cacophony of noise could be harnessed to power our cities. This is the potential of sound power in an urban environment. Sound power panels integrated into buildings, lampposts, and even sidewalks can capture the ambient noise of our cities and transform it into a valuable energy resource. Airports, with their constant roar of jet engines, could become powerhouses of renewable energy. Highways, often seen as sources of noise pollution, could be transformed into corridors of clean energy generation. Section 6. Sound power advantages, a sustainable solution. Sound power offers a compelling alternative to traditional fossil fuels and even other renewable energy sources. Its advantages are numerous and far-reaching. Firstly, sound power is environmentally friendly. Unlike fossil fuels, it produces no harmful emissions, contributing to cleaner air and a healthier planet. Secondly, it is a remarkably sustainable energy source. As long as there is sound, there is the potential to generate power. Thirdly, sound power is not weather-dependent. Unlike solar or wind energy, which rely on specific weather conditions, sound power can generate electricity day or night, rain or shine. This reliability makes it a valuable asset in the quest for energy independence. Section 7. The road ahead, challenges and opportunities. While the potential of sound power is vast, challenges remain in maximizing its efficiency and bringing down costs. Sound energy, while abundant, is also diffuse. This means that sound power systems need to be highly efficient at capturing and converting these dispersed sound waves. Technological advancements are crucial to enhancing the efficiency of piezoelectric materials and electromagnetic converters. Research and development in these areas are essential to making sound power a commercially viable energy solution. Despite these challenges, the future of sound power is bright. As research progresses and technology improves, we can expect to see sound power playing an increasingly important role in our energy landscape. Section 8. A sound future, integrating sound energy into the grid. The future of energy lies in diversification. As we move forward, it's crucial to explore and integrate various renewable energy sources to meet our growing energy demands. No single energy source can meet all our needs. Each source has its strengths and limitations, making it essential to combine them for a balanced energy solution. Instead, a mix of renewable energy sources working in concert will power our world. This synergy ensures a more stable and efficient energy supply. Sound power, with its unique advantages, can play a significant role in this diversified energy grid. By capturing ambient sound and converting it into usable energy, it adds a new dimension to our renewable energy mix. Imagine a smart city where sound power, solar panels, wind turbines, and other renewable energy sources work together seamlessly. This integration can lead to more efficient energy use and reduced reliance on non-renewable sources. This integrated approach can provide a reliable and sustainable energy supply for generations to come. It ensures that we are not overly dependent on any single source, thereby enhancing energy security. Sound power, while not a standalone solution, is a valuable addition to our energy portfolio. It complements other renewable sources, filling in gaps and providing additional resilience. By integrating it into a diversified energy grid, we can create a more sustainable and resilient energy future. This holistic approach is key to addressing the energy challenges of tomorrow. Section 9. Embracing innovation, a call to action. The quest for sustainable energy solutions requires innovation, ingenuity, and a willingness to embrace new technologies. Sound power, with its potential to transform noise pollution into clean electricity, represents a significant step forward in this quest. Further research, development and investment in SoundPower technology are crucial to unlocking its full potential. Governments, industry leaders and research institutions must work together to overcome current limitations and accelerate its adoption. The future of energy is in our hands. By embracing innovation and supporting the development of technologies like SoundPower, we can create a cleaner, more sustainable future for all.